Okay, so let's get into this one here first. This is the one that I thought came from China. And what this is a little power control unit that I can use with my model railways. And it's got all the controls here: power on, power off, forward, reverse, and speed control. And the nice thing about this is that with most of and many of the older Triang Hornby locomotives, this will provide a much improved speed control. If you recall, if you use some of the older Triang controllers, which I have, and some I've actually converted to this type of model. Prior to conversion, it causes the trains to take off at an unrealistic speed, so this is going to come in very handy for that part of the model railways. Now the second part is from, or the second package I should say, is from Budget Model Railways in the UK. And I had ordered this sort of just after Christmas. You got a little note here with the transaction details. A controller box. Now, as you can see, Budget Model Railways, input, track output, power control, and this would be for power in. Now, just to give you an idea of what would happen is this here, which is the one I got through Amazon, would go in here. So kind of this way, with the power controller coming out here, the power in there, and at this end here, that would be the track. Well, it's a different configuration, but this was printed by the guys at Budget Model Railways, and I'm not sure what happened, but I had asked for the controller itself. Not sure how we got to £10 for that, but I'll work it out with them. Anyway, that's I had ordered a controller from them, and this is the box, so we'll wait and see if they send me the controller. And this one here is from Yangpai Pei, from China, but out of a local warehouse here in Toronto. Oh, now this is a set of wheels, steel wheels, and these are 10.6mm diameter. I was actually looking for 10.5, but I don't think the 0.5 of a millimeter will have a great bearing on what I'm trying to do. if you recall, I did a short video on these car carriers, and as Champs123, John's Amazing Trains, pointed out, you know, the original ones here with these plastic wheels are always coming off the track. And what John suggested was, A, fix a nut and a bolt, a new nut and bolt into the bogie here to stabilise it so that it doesn't rock from side to side. And the other thing is to replace those wheels. Now, I'll need to go through that process and see if these are actually the correct size, but he recommended 10.5, and they were so difficult to locate. I think they're only manufactured in Germany, other than where I got these from, because they were Lilliput Bachmann type wheels, and they are so expensive. I think they're holding off with them, making it difficult for model railway enthusiasts. Anyway, we'll get them fitted up and follow up in a separate video with that. So 3 packages, something interesting. Give me a thumbs up for that, and please subscribe to my channel because it encourages me to do more of this type of stuff, and looking forward to your comments, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.